Hello, welcome to the University of Shizuoka. I'm Jonathan Dehaan. I'm an associate professor here in the Faculty of International Relations. I'm a member of the英米文化 course and the director of an undergraduate game lab here at the university. It's nice to have you here. Sure. So a lot of students, students in the Eibe course can study both language and culture. Many students are interested in countries such as the UK and Scotland and Australia, and so students are studying literature and culture and history related to those countries and societies. Other students are really interested in language, so there's a lot of students are studying syntax, right? Grammar, maybe psycholinguistics or sociolinguistics. Students also take a lot of English classes in this course because many students are interested in becoming language teachers in the future. So students in my seminar are interested in games and education. My students are interested in using games to try to make society better. So my students are interested in using games to help students learn language or help families bond or to try to make a change in the world. My students, when they enter my seminar, have a question and they try to develop that question in my seminar. And they do that by reading a lot of books and a lot of articles in English and also through practical experience. So my students teach, for example, at our local jidokan. So we teach children using games, lots of board games. And we also run a game charity. So every year we put on events where people come and play games, and then we collect money, and then we use that money to buy games for the local children's hospital, trying to improve the lives of children at the hospital. We also run a yearly game expo. So about 400 people came to our expo in January, and people played games and learned about games and experienced the power and potential of games. Sure. So in the first and second years, students take a lot of general English classes, so reading, writing, listening, speaking, grammar, vocabulary, and also some TOEIC skills. In their second and third years, they can specialize a little bit more. So students take classes like English presentations, where they learn how to make different types of presentations in English, which can be very useful for the students who want to be English teachers or other teachers in the future. Students also take academic writing classes, where they learn, of course, academic writing, and that can be very useful as they go on to write their thesis.